Welcome to the finale of Chainsaw Man. I am super excited to see how they end the series off. I will say though that we did see the title of this episode. I think it is a very blatant title and we could probably expect something to happen from that title.
You mean there's gonna be some katanas versus some chainsaws?
Open up your own copy of the episode and sync it up with the timer that will appear within Serby's hands at the end of my countdown. And without further ado, let's watch the finale to Chainsaw Man in 3, 2, 1, play. Aki's face when he sees the actual ghost face after getting catfished on Tinder.
Oh.
Yes, it is.
It's his light
bad for you in general.
His eyes.
Why does this sound like Minecraft music?
We need from Dora Hedora when they're at the restaurant and N was singing.
Oh no, we don't need that. Yes, he is.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, gee, thanks, Himeno.
Such a good role model.
Honestly.
Oh.
Oh, well.
Interesting.
Honey? Huh?
Fist pump, bro.
Is she giving him something? A cigarette? Imagine.
Oh. I bet.
Yeah.
Kind of like last favor to her previous contract.
Looks like. Even though she's a devil, she still upholds it. Or easy revenge.
I like the font. The handwritten font. Oh, it's my favorite.
Uses fear to see. That's interesting. So as long as you don't fear it, it can't see you?
Interesting.
Yeah. 2 years tops. But hopefully the way that you go out is gonna be something.
The neck meat.
You know, I didn't expect that from the Ghost Devil, honestly. I thought that, like, oh yeah, when the contract's done, it's done. No matter what side it's on, we just fulfill the contract, right? But the Ghost Devil actually, I felt like it did something that was against what I thought it would.
I like it. We get to see a lot of their own personality. They're not just some monster, right?
Yeah.
Even if it's more subtle. I don't know.
I do feel like potentially interacting with humans changes them slightly, and they might end up like going against their nature at times, because I wouldn't expect that from a quote-unquote devil.
I mean, I feel like we see that with the fiends.
Yeah, that does seem to be like a theme that they're going for with the fiends too.
We have the spider devil and the angel devil, who are just devils.
Oh yeah, they did say that the devils that resemble humans are usually nicer.
Mhm.
But
Which
we'll
is an
have to see to what
interesting.
degree.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, I bet you
Yeah.
this ending is gonna be Eve, right?
I was gonna say, I
We
know
haven't
it's an
seen
Eve
him.
ending because it's been all over my YouTube and all over my Spotify, and I've had a lot of self-control not listening to it.
I see. Oh, who's that? Oh, Kobeni! Damn.
I didn't even see her.
Sneaky Kobeni.
Why don't kill her? Just information?
Oh, he's talking with Kobeni. Yes! Hey, I mean, money, right?
I know, I wanna know more about her.
I was wondering what she had on her arm. What the fuck?
Oh,
Tasty.
ew.
The perfect pair. Oh,
Oh,
well, there's a lot more meat
zombies.
right in front of you. When she said these I can defeat, was she referring to the Katana guy? Because she said that she couldn't see his movements. And also
Mhm.
Denji went back down the elevator.
That's a big zombie in the back.
Bear witness. I don't know if that guy became big after he became a zombie or if he's just like a international basketball player.
He's just some dude.
Some dude.
Some really tall dude.
I mean, that would be how you describe me too, I guess. Fair enough. Oh,
Oh,
sideburns, man. Well, you were the one who just came and talked his shit and then shot him in the face.
based on the title, I don't think we're gonna just talk this out. But maybe they're gonna subvert my
No.
expectations.
Look, it's a shonen. We're gonna talk no jutsu right here, and he's gonna join us.
Oh yes, blame them or blame him.
Time to gaslight them. That wasn't even a lie. It is, actually, yes. What about you guys?
They're already dead.
Omae wa mou shindeiru. Apparently, with the Katana devil, the way that your dad raised Denji, I don't
I
think
really
it's okay.
This is the opposite premise of Devilman. The devil heart, the human heart.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, actually, yeah, you're right. He just took off his hand. What?
Like Yakimoto from Dororo. Nani?
Okay, where are we going? Mhm, mhm. But Jesus. Oh, of course we gotta go on the train. We're gonna fight on the roof, right? Then we're gonna have some sort of 3D camera shot.
That'd be sick. That's deeper than anything else we've got out of Denji.
True. Okay. I mean, your body. Oh, nice.
Oh,
This is
there's
exactly
the
what
3D
I was hoping
camera.
for.
That's what we were looking for. Yeah. I love me a cinematic 3D camera. I feel like the chainsaws would be doing more damage to the roof of the train.
Oh God, run! Ma'am? Get up! Yeah, it's that move of his again.
Batman's into the action too.
Yeah, right? Like, that's not even
He's
fair.
spamming.
Well,
Not
I guess you could still
yours.
use her head, Denji. In more ways than one.
You know, it's a shonen. As soon as they say you can't, you're done. That's when they turn up.
Denji just grows new arms.
That's
I
a
mean,
good shot.
Denji had
I
to
like that
regenerate
shot.
somehow. But yeah, this entire scene on the train has been amazing. Oh, pause, and somebody gets cut in half?
Dramatic cut.
No!
The chainsaw broke.
Denji didn't maintain his nose very well.
Back.
Now this is awesome animation.
Beautiful. Yes, chainsaws. Yes. That's the kind of dumb shit I want.
Well, I don't know how
Beautiful.
good his regenerative powers are, but I think he might be dead.
Oh boy.
He's not dead.
Oh damn.
You can't kill these people.
Is he tied up with chainsaw teeth?
Looks like. Is Denji naked? Oh no, okay.
I wish he was naked. That would be intimidation factor.
Yeah, exactly. The cops. That he indirectly did. Yes! Yes, Denji! Don't forgive this, boy. How dare you remove hot ladies from the show?
It's like, Mhm.
Huh? Aki?
And you're just gonna compare sizes.
Yo, that's why Denji's naked.
Oh.
True! Karma! An eye for an eye. Nut shots? No! Well, I mean, he did remove one of the hottest ladies from the show, so fair is fair. Aki's tired of this shit.
He wants to. He don't lie. He's gonna do it. No.
I don't think it's within Aki's character to do it, but I do understand the sentiment. That would be really funny.
I just wanted to pull out a gun.
Yes!
Yes.
I see, he wasn't gonna do it, but then he saw easy revenge.
He's like, you know what? Actually, I think humanity would find it
And
funny.
the crows.
Yep.
But why?
I was watching.
Are they saying, yeah, Makima's watching the entire thing? I guess
I
that
feel
might
like
be
that's
what
the
they wanted to say.
implication, whether literal or symbolic.
Yeah. We haven't learned anything about Kobeni.
Not any of them, really.
And the new ones that got introduced, of course, probably a season
We saw
2.
one shot of them, yeah.
Oh no! Ah, yes. Friendship between men. Beautiful. A requiem for you with his screams. I can't even feel sorry for the dude. He kind of deserved it.
No.
Interesting. Okay. Oh shit, what? No, Kobeni! That's a lot.
Gun double flesh.
Oh, it's moving. So they know what direction it is in now. There he is.
Yes.
I think you mentioned this ever since the first ED too. We've been waiting
I've been
so
waiting.
long.
Eva's one
What
of my
the-
favorite artists ever. I love Weeb.
I bet you that power playing on the little playground thing is it's probably a gift that people are going to be using.
Mm.
Nice. Man, these characters are so good. I love seeing them interact with each other.
Yeah, I kind of wish we got to see more of it.
Yeah. See more of them and more of the rest of the cast too.
Yeah.
We barely had enough time to get to know our main trio here.
Yeah. The cat's cute.
Yeah.
Post credits.
All right, how are we going to set up the next season here? Or are we just going to end on a bittersweet note?
There is no new season. This is it. No.
This is the series finale. It's just a one shot.
That's how it ends. No. You gotta smoke.
He's going to smoke the easy revenge. Oh my god. Is he actually? And then Himeno just shows up. That's probably copium on my side. I can't accept the fact that hot ladies were removed from the show.
Death of a waifu. Tragedy.
I'd rather death of waifu before death of waifu.
Something in the cigarette.
Right? Well, I guess there goes easy revenge.
And the cigarette devil comes in.
The cigarette devil. Yeah. How powerful would he be? I am powered by the addiction of all humankind. Oh yeah, this shot from the very beginning. And also, I think that shot with Aki was kind of him letting go of Himeno in a symbolic way. Yeah. Right, what's this about? All right.
Baby.
You gonna learn about his past? Vegeta?
Is it Vegeta? Okay.
Nani? I see?
Okay.
I don't know what to conclude from that. We'll probably see it again. Wait, who's this?
Was that
Huh?
Himeno's sister?
I don't.
I couldn't tell.
No.
That shot went by too fast.
Yeah, it was very brief.
Brain
Let me go
didn't
back and look at it. Between the country mouse and the city mouse. Why would I want to be a mouse in the first place, lady? God. I hope you're hot, at the very least.
I can't remember what Himeno's sister looked like.
You can't remember because we never saw her.
That's what I think. It might be her, but the way it's hiding both Himeno's sister and this character's face, they both had black hair.
Yeah.
So that's just kind of my guess.
I feel like it would be better if they had like foreshadowed her character coming into the show.
Did we see Himeno's sister before she died?
No. To my knowledge, no. We didn't even know that she had a
I was
sister
gonna say,
until
we didn't have
she
even a mention of it.
went to
Maybe-
Aki.
It's like a weird reincarnation thing.
Oh, I mean, I'd be fine with that. I've been coping this entire time. Just setting up for season 2. Not really giving us definitive answers, just adding a few more mysteries to keep the intrigue. I like it. It's fine.
But the flesh lump is moving. That's
Yeah, the flesh lump is moving. I guess it's like when it reaches a certain mass, it starts going back to the god devil somehow. Maybe it has super regeneration powers, and then
well, we've seen that they've been attracted to each other in the smaller bits and stuff.
So
Just now that they have a big enough mass, it can kind of start homing back to the actual gun devil, I guess.
and maybe we're gonna start tracking him down next season. I don't know if he's like gonna be the big bad of the entire show, or if we'll get to him by next season. Don't know how long the series is. We shall see. I really like this fight on the train, though. I will say, I think I've said this ever since the first episode, but a lot of the shots and their kind of set pieces are very movie-like in nature. They do take a lot of thought to put into it, and it's not just like, oh yeah, show this happening on the screen. They give us many interesting camera angles, and their use of 3D camera movements is very exhilarating.
I love
really
the shot
like
of
this
him
scene.
standing there facing down the Katana devil, or Katana, whatever he is.
Katana devil.
Katana guy with just his 2 arms lying to the side. It was a good shot. I like the feet chainsaw.
No, that was really anime, and I can respect it because the show has been it hasn't really been hiding how crazy it is, as some of you could probably see. But seeing Aki kind of get a resolution here with Himeno's passing, and also forming a deeper bond with Denji over kicking some other guy's balls was beautiful. I truly appreciate that, and I didn't think I'd ever see that ever in like any media, like ever. There's still so many characters that I wish I got to see more of, but you know, we need time to get into them, and season 1 is not enough time. Sedge.
I was gonna try and think if I could like come up with any more theories, but I don't think this really gave me a whole lot more to add on to. I kind of just have all the previous theories that I stuck out with, because this was more concluding some other plot lines than it was giving us new information.
The new mysteries that they did provide, I feel like there's not enough to go off of at the moment. Unless if I'm missing something that can correlate back to what they just showed us in the end here.
I feel like that's the biggest thing that they showed us, is whoever this character is at the end.
I'm wondering what Denji's dream is about, though. Oh god.
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh, actually, wait. Give me a second.
You go full devil if he opens the door.
I feel like he just lets loose. Is that it?
Just give away the other, the human part of him. Just all devil.
On the
This
private
feels like
sector.
it almost feels like gaslighting coming from Makima. These were by her. Moving on.
It wasn't me, I swear.
I feel like every word that comes out of Makima's mouth feels like gaslighting.
But like, Akane, she knew of Makima because she used to be a devil hunter that was apparently with a private organization or something. I guess people just know of Makima and fear her. Either that or they knew each other personally.
Makima's the gun devil, and she made a contract with her.
Ooh. And the flesh just goes in the opposite direction of Makima to throw off of the scent, you know?
Controls the flesh chunks.
Oh, that's a big brain theory if I've ever heard one.
And the flesh chunks are some other demon that she's using as a scapegoat.
Honestly, maybe. You never know with this show.
I feel like all I can do is come up with crackpot theories this show.
Yeah, right?
It's fun though. I enjoy it. Just
I'm enjoying it as
because the show is so
well.
absurd that you can kind of just throw anything out there, and it's possible.
It could be true, yeah, right?
But that's the fun of it. I feel like.
Usually you can grasp the method of storytelling, and then you know, oh yeah, the story was probably gonna go this way or this way based on just like your experiences of other media.
Yeah.
But this one, I really can't tell where the series is gonna go from here. Only thing that I know is Makima bad. I think I'm not wrong with this one.
Makima equals evil. The one true constant.
The most beautiful equation in all humankind. But I suppose I do want to talk a little bit about how we felt about the series, and I guess give a rating of the of Chainsaw Man. For me, there was so much hype going into the series that I completely tuned all of that out and went into the series expecting absolutely nothing. Because, as you guys know, a lot of the series that get hyped by their fans usually end up not meeting their expectations because they just shoot it over the moon into the stars, right? So far, going into it with zero expectations, I've actually been impressed with what it's been able to do. How it's been able to throw me for a loop, a lot of the camera shots, and the storytelling that is, I feel, quite unique. I got this same kind of feeling when I was watching Dorohedoro, and I suppose it's just like a style of writing that I'm not familiar with. I do like how unpredictable the story is. I didn't really have any problems with the animation, even though I think Serbi did mention it a few times. But, you know, these things happen.
I don't have any problem
Not
with
everything
it.
can be perfect.
Yeah, it's not perfect, but it has some really good moments, and I think that's the parts that matter.
Yeah, certainly. Especially with their 3D camera movements, and a lot of the action scenes are really cool.
I feel like Mappa is really getting a hang of like 3D environments and 3D camera, and each new series that they put out taking advantage of those things, it shows, and it just keeps getting better and better. I love it. I'm excited to see what more they do with it too.
What are your thoughts on the series, Serbi?
Well, like you, lots of people talking about this one a lot. I tend to be far more judgmental if people tell me something is amazing. I try not to be, but it's in my nature. I think it does have a lot of the strengths that Dorohedoro does, and that I love Dorohedoro for. It's more shonen that I'm usually a fan of. It's kind of a shonen Dorohedoro. I enjoyed it a lot for what it is. It's kind of the kind of show that I would just kind of sit down and watch it while I'm working on something and enjoy. It's not necessarily the kind of show that I would obsess over, but I enjoyed it a lot for what it was.
For me, out of 10, I'd say Chainsaw Man is a 8 out of 10. Really solid series and very enjoyable ride.
For me, I'd probably give it like a 7.5. I enjoyed it a lot. It's definitely not one of my like all-time favorites, but it's definitely something that I can say I sat down and enjoyed and would recommend to others that if this is the kind of show that they're into, I would have no problem being like, yeah, you should check out Chainsaw Man.
Don't worry about Serbi's absolutely scared face. She's just...
I don't know. What did I press? When did I press it?
Well, I think it was pretty recent, but like, I guess she was just scared of the backlash she'd get from saying her rating.
I updated my rating on Analyst. That's what did it.
Oh, I see. But yeah, obviously, everybody has different tastes when it comes to media. I really like kind of like the spectacle, I guess you could say, that this anime was. Even though there has been some news going around about like some petition or something to redo the anime. Like, come on, guys. Yeah. I don't see like so much of a problem that they'd have to redo it, but let us know your opinions about that in the comment section.
I mean, it's not going to be like One Punch Man season 1, but like that's an absurd expectation to bring into things.
Obviously. Well, that was just a unicorn, honestly.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I thought, not that I'm judgmental on those kinds of things, but like having worked in animation and different fields similar to the animation industry, I have an eye that is very like, I notice every little thing when it comes to those sorts of things. Yeah. So like if there's a weird shot, I might notice it whereas someone else might not. So those kind of things stand out to me. I try not to, you can't let little little production things ruin your experience. And I think
Mhm.
that's something general anime fans can learn.
I mean, we got this from Kumo Deska Nanika. That was that was something for sure. But understandable because of like tight work schedules and whatnot. Obviously, they're under a lot of pressure to pump out these shows, and
You know,
a
I
lot of
think
the time
that's
they have to
something-
cut some corners.
People need to realize too at the end of the day is it's people working on this, like real living people. And they
Yeah.
work absurd hours, horrible crunch, underpaid. Like, appreciate the work that's given to you because a lot of hard work goes into it.
Certainly.
And I think as far as the overall like season, this was an amazing season. I thought the team at Mappa did a great job, and I feel like they really showcased what the manga had to show.
Yeah.
From the little bit that I've read of it and seen of it, I thought they nailed the expressions and just kind of the life of the show. I thought it was a lot of fun, and I'm excited for season 2 because I'm sure it's coming.
Obviously, like, come on now.
If it doesn't, I don't know what happened. Yeah.
Thank you so much to the team at Mappa, and thank you to you guys as well for watching the show with us. But what we have planned for next season at the moment is the Nier Automata anime and the Trigun remake. We might change that up depending on how those shows turn out. We're kind of a little worried about them, but hey, if they're good, they're good.
I'm not worried about Trigun. I'm worried about maybe the reception of Trigun because classic fans like to hate on remakes.
It is what it is.
Which is unfortunate because I think Studio Orange's the work that they do is incredible and I'm ecstatic for it. Automata, I'm skeptical of. I'm real afraid, but I want it to be good so bad, so we'll see.
But yeah, if you guys want to see reactions to those shows, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, leave your thoughts in the comments below. But until next time, we'll see you guys later.
Bye bye.